Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. So for today's analogy, I'm going to talk about the concept of illiquidity using a baking analogy. So growing up, everybody had bake sales at school. There were a number of items that were sold: cookies, brownies, and other pastries. There were some items that were better than others. For some reason, some people may want the cookies more than the brownies. If the brownies end up getting left over and a lot of people aren't buying them, that means that those items will be categorized as illiquid. Illiquidity means that there's a low demand or a low perceived value for a specific item. This concept resonates well within the financial world. There are certain stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments that are sold to investors. And if there's really no perceived value for those financial instruments by investors, that means that the value of those items is going to be low because the demand is low. So illiquidity applies to finance, and it also applies to baking or any other item that's being sold in a marketplace. So I hope you guys found that analogy helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more content at www.SimpMe.com.